Adobe Premiere Pro now includes built-in tools for translating captions. Follow along in the app and let us know how it goes. First, Premiere needs a transcription to work with. Premiere will automatically assume that your footage is in the language that the app is set to. The footage we're working with today is in Japanese, but my app is set to English. To tell Premiere to detect the language, go to Import mode and ensure this setting is enabled. Go to the text panel and use the Transcribe function to automatically generate a transcript of your audio. Once the transcript is complete, switch to the Captions tab and select Create Captions. Now select the Translate Captions icon. Choose the target language or multiple languages, then click Translate. Progress is shown in the Progress panel and on the timeline track. When the process finishes, new caption tracks will appear in your timeline for each selected language. To view each caption set, use the eye icon to toggle the track's visibility. You can have multiple caption tracks visible simultaneously, and you can use the Properties panel to customize the appearance of each track. Finally, export your captions. Burned-in captions support exporting multiple languages simultaneously. Sidecar formats only allow one caption track to be exported at a time. You can take it from here. We hope this helps. Subscribe for more Adobe tips.